Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel travelav. This is Vicky from India. Pleasure to meet you all. Welcome to Vondelpark, Amsterdam's most famous park. Before we dive in, please subscribe to our channel and give the video a thumbs up. This will quickly accelerate our YouTube channel's growth. Stay with us till the end to discover the amazing activities you can enjoy in this vibrant green space. Let's get started. First up, take a scenic stroll along with the beautiful pathways. Wander along the picturesque pathways lined with the trees and flowers. Enjoy the lush greenery and vibrant flowers. It's perfect for walking, cycling, and jogging. It's a serene escape from the bustling streets of Amsterdam while remain close to the many key attractions. Whether you are looking to relax, have fun, or experience local culture, Vondelpark has something for everyone. Vondelpark is a popular and expensive public park located in the heart of Amsterdam. Covering around 47 hectares, it is the largest park in the city and a favorite spot for both local and tourists. The park features beautiful landscape gardens, scenic ponds, winding paths, and open lawns perfect for picnic or relaxation. Looking for a peaceful spot? Relax by water? Bring a book or picnic and watch the ducks glide by. Find the quiet spot by the ponds and enjoy the peaceful ambience. Next, we move towards the playground. If you are visiting with family, let the kid have fun at the playground. It's a great place for the children to play and make new friends. Parents can relax by lying on the grass nearby while the kids enjoy. Have a look, everyone is lounging on the grass and have fun with their loved ones and their friends. Do you know Amsterdam is famous for its cycle culture? Look out, the many people are riding on the bicycles. Take in the serene atmosphere and enjoy the beautiful landscape, perfect for peaceful walking and cycling. If you have not liked the video or subscribed to the channel, please do so. This park is located in Leidseplein area opposite the Holland Casino and the Hard Rock Cafe. Don't miss my upcoming video featuring Holland Casino and Hard Rock Cafe. After a peaceful walk through the Vondelpark, it's time to relax at one of the park's cozy cafes. This charming cafe offers the perfect spot to grab a coffee or snacks while enjoying the park's serene views. You are noticing bicycles neatly parked on the both sides. With outdoor sitting, you can enjoy the fresh air and watch the cyclists and joggers pass by you as you sip your drink. Their menu includes a variety of Dutch treats, fresh pastries to sandwich, perfect for a quick bite. It's a perfect way to recharge. Thanks for watching this video.